I come to y'all live to say, rest in peace, Jerry Springer.
Yeah, rest in peace.
He made so much money off us black folk. It's crazy. Now let me show y'all how to fuck a bitch.
Show y'all how to hit a bitch with a power drive.
We're on our way to the tailgate, man.
What?
We're not going in the game, but we're going to be in the parking lot. Got a couple brewskis. Got a water. We're ready. We're going to start a mosh pit, bro. It's going to be awesome.
And then I'm gonna be the nigga that be like, move, I can't breathe.
And then everybody going to start running. And they stomp on my head and shit. And I can take that shit. I feel like I'll come out alive.
You know that's fucked up because the people that died didn't make it. Come on, man.
Fuck, dog. We ain't never gonna make it out the trenches. Oh, I didn't mean it like that. Bro, I wouldn't even think about that shit, bro. But I feel like I would though, for real. Next topic, bro. Next topic, bro. What's going on in the news lately, man? Jerry Springer died. You heard about that?
Bro, we already talked about that.
Man, I can't think of shit. What the fuck going on in the world?
I don't even know, bro.
What the fuck? I'm so disconnected. We're gonna send it off to Jesse over there live at 8 Mountain Woodward, man. I heard it's got a swim cap on. Nigga, fuck around there, nigga.
Jewish.
They ain't got no motherfucking music in it.
Bro, leave. The venue is right here.
Getting over there trying to rear some shit up. Why you got the swim cap on, brother? Why you got the swim cap on?
When y'all called me last second, I had to throw this with you. See? Oh, they did. Oh, they got the special too.
Let me get that file.
What?
Let me get that file.
20 ain't never changed.
Real nigga. When the cameras go out, he gonna ask for it back.
So they got an Eminem blast. I don't want no large fish, man.
I'm getting a regular. Like slimming down.
Get this mirror, not be stuck to the floor.
Yeah, my shit is
Stick.
shit for sure stick.
We do like we're gonna cook that like
Bro.
we got it. Hey, what's going? Hey, what you doing?
Put your shit in sport mode, nigga. Hey, put your shit in sport mode. Yeah. Make sure Jimmy.
Tweak out in this bitch. I don't know who that nigga is. Okay, DJ. Who the fuck is DJ? Bitch.
Real nigga.
You see Lightning
When
McQueen out there?
When we hit Benny, bro.
I was about to say, you can hit this bitch this weekend and next weekend type shit.
Oh, yeah.
This nigga, you might go. You might have to go to shit. You might actually sell them one spray bottle shit.
Man, there you go, right
Camera
there.
said last time I seen it 300. It wasn't finger benders.
You said what?
It wasn't finger benders and bumper stickers.
What?
On that bitch.
When?
Last time camera said it was.
No, I'm over there. Cook this up.
Let me tell y'all something. Y'all ain't with the guys eating Savage sliders.
Talk to these niggas.
I'm looking for my phone. It's right here.
Man.
On a Friday evening.
Talk to these
You ain't
niggas.
got no bitch.
Wait, what shake you get?
Banana pudding on some shit.
Wait, what
Bacon chicken bacon ranch.
what shake you get? That bitch is rocking and
What you mean? I'm not eating.
hey wine, bro. What shake? This nigga cut into and shit. Hey, what shake you get?
Strawberry shortcake.
Nigga, this nigga.
She said you can get some.
I could get some.
That prank. Hey. That prank is on YouTube right now.
Okay.
With the shroom. When we did the shroom prank on it.
How many views?
About 30.
Too much.
Cut to niggas like steak. Fuck with me, then you gotta do the race. Glock chase him down, take first place. Strike out, it'll rock the
Bro, stop running, bro. You got us looking bad. You got us looking bad. Alright, I'm MOPAR gang. I'm MOPAR gang. The what? Nigga been like that since a kid, nigga.
What on, bro? Bro, what? Take your shirt off.
He been on bullshit since he got that shirt. Hey, get the bro. He put him in the trash can.
You seen the video?
Yeah.
Skit.
It's a skit. Nigga, horse still ass.
You can't see shit in there.
I can't, nigga. Bro, come on now.
Nigga, we can see straight through this bitch. I ain't gonna lie. I see cheetah print.
You can't see straight through it.
I gotta watch
It
it.
ain't that
Nobody
big,
else chasing me but Nick. I ain't gonna lie.
Just see her shirt.
Nigga, is that baby Tron? Hell no. I thought that was baby Tron out this bitch. Hey, you got Chevy here though. Chevy is here.
I should have bought the left. No,
I swear, I just want to shoot it. I ain't never shot one before. I swear, I ain't about to shoot you, bro.
Hey, let him shoot your shit.
This nigga try to up on me
He
soon.
talking.
This nigga try to take the clip out. Nigga swear that bitch real black. What is it? It's these little jail bitches?
Yeah. This on safety.
Yeah, no, I'm playing. Look at y'all niggas running this shit.
I was about to duck
shit.
Go.
Man, that bitch stuns a little bit more than I thought.
I ain't gonna lie.
Shit. Nigga, what? You got this bitch ready so fast, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Dog. I sure the fuck did, dog.
Shit.
And pulleys, all type of shit.
Headers.
Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, but I think so. I'm not sure. It's got injectors, upper lower pulley. I ain't really know what the fuck. I don't really know what all this.
This your shit too?
Yeah, that's my shit.
This the one that was wrapped? This the one that was wrapped? This a new one? No. This nigga's a demon. Yo, man.
About to do a video over there, he said?
Yeah.
Headers should have put your shit in.
That's what the fuck I said.
Ain't doing that?
Huh?
Ain't you about to put it in there?
No, the red eye. Yeah, he said he had the track over there.
I got a question.
Nigga, slow your goofy ass.
SXT.
That's a SXT?
It's a straight S. SXT.
It say SXT though. Which one fake? The SXT or the straight 8?
He ain't got no bumper.
Bro, I should have. My fucking Cadillac. Why did not? You should have. You said you want to go get it? Yeah. Fuck no. This a SXT?
Yeah, 6 cylinder.
No way.
Yes,
And you
sir.
just did that?
Yes, sir.
How the fuck you do that?
Got modded. Tune it.
Wait, ain't no way these bitches still
ran.
smoking. That
Got
shit cool.
Hellcat ran on it.
Hell. I knew it, bro, but I was like, I heard a sound. No, he swapped that bitch?
No, it's a him.
He got a supercharger on it?
It's a 5.7 with a Hellcat supercharger on it.
How the fuck he do that shit?
You just said he put his Hellcat supercharger on
I
it.
didn't know that shit was compatible.
He put a supercharger on the 5.7?
That's what I heard. It's LA Fitness.
This a different type of muscle, nigga. Wow.
They should be okay.
Gotta feed
Unless y'all wanna
dogs
watch
and
it
shit.
on a
Fuck
ring.
them dogs.
Shit,
Them
I
dogs.
gotta clean some fucking boo-boo, nigga.
She got a towel, nigga?
It's the quietest burnout I ever heard. Money on that visa. He did put too much money in that shit.
And that bitch on.
They put the hell.
I wish it sounded like it was super good.
Hey, friends, we have to block this entrance because if we keep having those, the police gonna get called. So please, can you block the entrance? So no cars feel like they can do that. It's dope, but the police gonna come here and do music video. I promise I'm not gonna be on this phone on the lot, but please, can we block this? Not every city's supportive like this, so this is hella dope. I done shot music videos in Minnesota, you know what I'm saying? Miami, LA. This is fucking dope. Because usually police would be about already get called. It's a good time.
Yeah, they doing good today. They usually be here.
I see. Well, God bless this. The universe made this happen then. Bless it.
Yeah,
Bless
they
it.
actually solving crimes today.
Come on, they solving crimes. That's what's up.
Yes, sir. What? You could come to a city. Imagine you could come to a city and get all the cars you need in your video without even paying nobody. What the fuck are you just? How the fuck you get a green here? I gotta document this too.
Let me tell you, these bitches out of their rabbit ass mouths, bro. Don't never let a bitch tell you she love you, cause she don't. Rule number 1.
Horse and shit. With the blick on him. It ain't shoot shit. Chill. Bitch. Nigga, why be the first one to leave? Why would I be the first one to leave? That's a tear. You just hit a tally, brother. Officer. Hey, that nigga new on the job. They ain't even fit his pants.
Nigga, I'm blinded by the lights. You see this? When his shit is going crazy. You can't even see the minutes.
What you want? What you doing? That nigga bored. He bored, bro.
I'm about to go get some chips because I'm hungry. Hold on.
They sound like they don't want their tire.
I'd be mad as hell right now. I guess you gotta just join that shit off. I'd be pissed.
Sitting there. That bitch camp. That bitch camp. He's doing business with you, huh? He about to fill. He bought gas.